Every best client portal software list ranks tools on features, white label, and price. None of them measure the one number that decides if the portal was worth buying: how often your clients actually log in. Below 10 active clients, most agencies run delivery fine in a shared Slack channel and a Drive folder. The portal you spend a weekend configuring becomes a second inbox your clients ignore, with a monthly bill attached. A client portal is not your project manager. Project tools are built around tasks, with clients bolted on as guests. A portal is built around the client account: one login, their work, their files, their invoices. I compared the 9 tools agencies shortlist in 2026. SuiteDash is the best value, $19 a month, unlimited users, white label on every plan. Copilot wins on security, Wayfront wins for productized shops. Watch out for per-user pricing. A 3-person team on Bonsai can pay $87, where a flat-fee tool costs half that. And white label is vanity until the portal is where the client actually lives. Here is what every roundup misses. A portal can't create transparency you don't have. It's a window, not a generator. If delivery is weak, the portal just puts the weakness behind glass. A portal is downstream of pipeline. Buying one before you have clients solves the wrong problem. For Upwork agencies, GigRadar keeps the pipeline full through a real business manager account. Try GigRadar free at gigradar.io.